Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Trendy powder bathroom design for guest bathrooms and powder rooms are evolving to embrace a blend of functionality and aesthetic appeal. Contemporary trends often feature minimalist yet striking elements such as sleek geometric fixtures and clean lines, neutral colors palettes with pops of bold accents like metallic finishes or vibrant patterns create a modern and inviting atmosphere. Incorporating neutral elements like stone or wood accents add warmth and texture into the space. Space-saving solutions like floating vanities or pedestal sinks are popular choices, enhancing the perception of openness in smaller areas. Lighting plays a critical role with the statement parent lights or sink softness, adding both style and functionality. Experimenting with bold wallpaper or intricate design can infuse personality and visual interest into the room. Thoughtful storage solutions such as Ricky's shelving or built-in cabinets ensure clutter-free surfaces. Mixing different textures such as matte and glossy surfaces add depth and visual intricacies into the design. Overall, the latest trends in powder bathroom design should prioritize creating a luxurious and inviting space that leaves a lasting impression on guests. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.